Did you know India's biggest cultural celebration happens every December in Nagaland? Yes, the Hornbill Festival, also called the Festival of Festivals, brings entire Nagaland heritage alive. Held from 1st to 10th December at Kisama Heritage Village near Kohima. This festival started in 2000. It brings together all 17 major Naga tribes, showcasing their vibrant folk dance, traditional music, indigenous sports, handicraft, handlooms and centuries-old customs. The aim is simple yet powerful: to preserve Naga culture, promote unity and boost tourism in Northeast. Even this year, thousands of visitors from India and abroad flock to experience its color, energy and performances. Hornbill Festival is not just an event. It is a cultural powerhouse that keeps Naga's tradition alive. Here is your question. Where is the Hornbill Festival celebrated? Comment your answers.